Better, like, but you could go down here and turn right and do you turn at the light and then go back that way, or yeah, well, you got to look. Come on now, GoPro. Come on now, probably stick to it. Yeah. Go down. There we go. You can. Okay, turn right, and then at that light down there, turn the first light that's right here, make another right. Yeah. It'd be too much, like, when it get around like 4, 5 o'clock, get too much traffic over here. Kill my girl fuck this.
If you lived over here in like 13 or like 12, yeah, like me and
So what's your favorite thing you like about this car? You ain't used to driving this or having a really fast truck. What about your truck? You don't think that's bad?
Somewhat.
In a way.
It's somewhat in a way.
It's a nice truck though. I like it. Yeah, this light right here, it like it's finna storm, but I looked on the weather, it didn't say, it looked like it was gonna.
It didn't say it was gonna storm?
Nah, it said like, yeah, see, it's all nothing but clear skies, cloudy. I mean, it's supposed to rain next Thursday. Well, this is a heap. Let me go. Yeah, it still says we good. Oh, dang. That's what I'm trying to get at. Man, just wait on it. It's your car to stop. They got that little thing where, oh, shoot.
I can turn it on and off.
You save a lot of gas when they do that? Sheesh. Man, I'm trying to give me another. I'm weak. They both. I'm weak. I'm trying to give me another run in with them old Chargers on camera. Like,
why don't you? There's a whole lot of cars you can go with.
Well, because for one, shoot, I don't know a lot of people. Like when I raced back then on like off of camera, I didn't get their numbers. But like now that I want to race and I get it on camera, and I'm doing YouTube like consistent now. It's like, dang, were they not meant to be found? Well, the one dude I had raced, I don't know if he got his number changed, but he came up with so many excuses why he don't want to race again or something like that. I have work. I'm just like, bruh, where you at?
Can't be having excuses.
Alright, just like, dude, it's just for content. I do this for fun. Jeez, but everybody be driving everything over here. Yeah, just keep going all the way down, and then when you get past that light down there, it's a straightaway right by that FedEx over there. Just go straight, long road. Wow, come on now. People over here can't drive.
No, that's one thing I do not miss about living over here.
Man, terrible. Do you plan on buying this car now?
Oh yeah, most definitely.
Yeah. People keep asking me why I don't buy my car. I say, man, I'm not trying to put my warranty just yet. And
me neither. That's
like,
the thing.
Man.
This was a loaner car.
What does that mean,
like, if you put your car in the service at a dealership, and they give you a loaner car, this was literally a loaner car.
Sheesh.
The car that I wanted to get was a 2021 Volkswagen GTI. It was the SE. This one's the S. The SE has like the blind spot monitoring, like rear assist, front assist. It has the sunroof.
Oh, but it still tell you somebody next to you, right? Does it beep? Oh, okay. Just like the Chargers and stuff, beep. I wish my car had that.
Yeah,
man, it was a Type R next to me like last week, and I took off. Well, we both took off, but he went flying. I'm like, God dang, I really didn't know them cars was that fast. But
Oh yeah, they get up.
Yeah. They ain't the fastest thing in the world, but they fast enough. He took off, and I could not keep up. I knew I wasn't gonna be able to keep up, but I'd just be testing my waters.
And at this way, keep going straight.
Yeah. So do you have paddle? You don't have paddle shifters or no? Oh, okay. Oh, okay. I see it. I'm glad I cleared my memory on this GoPro because I wouldn't have no space. What's the best gear? Like, what's the fastest gear in this car?
That I've only done it once, so.
Did it scare you?
It scared / surprised me.
Yeah.
To remind you, there was a cop right next to me when I did it. But luckily, he was not paying attention to me. He was paying attention to this cammed 5.0. So.
Ooh, did the dude get pulled over?
Yeah, that dude got pulled over.
Sheesh. Dang.
But yeah, those apartments right down there.
Oh yeah, right next to that Fox gas station.
Yep, that's where me and my mom lived when we were over here. But now she moved back to Oak Cliff, so she out there.
Oak Cliff, that's my hood. No, I'm not even from Oak Cliff. Bro, everybody around here drives Chargers, like them old Chargers
and Camaros.
Bigs, like Camaro, like bro, like dang. It didn't used to be like this. Now everybody here just drive fast cars.
Yep.
A lot of people starting to get scat packs and stuff. Scat packs because they're not making them no more. Like that's crazy. Or is it Hellcat? I don't think they make them.
SRT.
Yeah, that don't make no sense. Everybody finna be buying them now. That's crazy. See, you see that black truck that's right there? That's the truck that I would want.
Which one?
That one that just passed by right there.
That,
like the
GMC Sierra?
The slimmer body, but yeah, that's the old truck I would want to get and build. You know.
Why don't you?
Shoot, I got a Vic now, but shoot, I ain't got the money for all that. Cause like once you get a truck, some of them be having problems. They're hard to find now. A lot of people want them. A lot of people have them too. I remember this lady in my neighborhood. It was a Hispanic lady. She was driving it, and it's just so nice, all black, slimmer body. It was just so nice. I'm gonna give you one though. Watch after I get my Mustang. Yeah, this shit right here, you can just floor it. You know?
Right here?
Yeah. Okay, this might get up and go. I can hear the turbo a little bit. Oh yeah, I like it. Isn't it so smooth?
To remind you,
did you downshift or no? Man, show me what it's like when it's downshift.
This is an automatic. It's a DSG. It's a 7-speed DSG. So it's a twin clutch.
Mhm.
So, but hold on. Let me see.
Do you brake boost or no?
Hmm?
Do you brake boost? Do you know how to do that? Man, you missing out. I'm telling you, when you brake boost, you gonna catch a lot of people off guard.
There we go.
You got an sport? Oh, you got a sports mode now or?
Now.
Oh, okay.
That was just normal.
Okay. Wait, is this all-wheel drive or just front-wheel drive? Oh, shit. And then when you get to that light down there, just make a U-turn. Okay. I want to see what the paddle shift is about. I know you can really, really feel it. You got the paddle shift. Oh my god. It's like small. This car is not like, it's small and like quick. I like it. Good. Did your dad like when you
My dad wanted me to get a used car. So.
Oh, this is new?
This is new.
Oh shoot. I mean, shoot, you the one that paying the car note, so I mean, shoot.
Yeah.
Your choice.
I mean, shoot, my dad wanted to put a Scat Pack motor in his 2013 Dodge Ram, so.
What?
Yep.
Is he gonna do it?
He's thinking about it.
Real.
Yep. Let me see if I can
car try, man. Some of these Volkswagens get up.
I ain't never raced nobody.
I just never realized that train's right there. I know you say you don't like racing, so I'm just like, well, you said why do people race? I mean, I race because I don't race all the time, but just for content. I like cars, like, you know, showing people how quick my car is, because, you know, Hondas and stuff, all people see is Mopar, Hellcats, Scat Packs, all that stuff. But there are things that are out there fast, like Volkswagen, Honda. Like, you can build these cars and make them faster. You know, so
I know there's someone, what was it? I follow them on Instagram. I think he's in Germany, but he has the R line, and he's pushing close to like 650.
650 wheel horsepower?
To the wheel.
I mean, yeah, front wheel horsepower.
I was like,
yeah, that's that. And this car is light and quick, so this boy, fetching everybody, man. I just can't wait to get my Mustang. I'm gonna get it. I ain't gonna tell people when, but I'm gonna get it. Man, I just can't wait.
yeah, this thing gets up for what it is.
It does get up. I like it.
Shoot, I love it.
I mean, I don't know. I have never really like looked at Volkswagen like that. This is the only one that I've probably seen more than any other Volkswagen that people be driving. Like, I remember when I used to work at the Walmart pushing carts and stuff, like, it was a white one. I guess Josh knew him or something, but it was a white one. And yeah, like, I don't know. I just see people flying these cars. Like, it's quick. I'm gonna show you what brake boosting is. I don't know how it is for automatic, but I know in my car, since I drive a stick, it's different. I don't know if it's the same in automatic. I'm pretty sure it is. But like brake boosting, you're basically